old El Paso. Stand and step, taco kit. I don't have lime. Student. Fuck. Yeah, let's get this out of the tray. Nice. Wow, that was so smooth. It actually looks like an MRE. Salsa, the thing, and the other thing. That's for the avocado. I think the avocado's actually ruined. This is Sainsbury's tortilla chips. I didn't have jalapenos, but I have like these, which just taste of Thai food. 250 grams of beef mince. It's the 26th of November, don't you worry. Cheese and onion. It's time, my boy, to make some of this into here. Turn the thing on. Nice. Heat a little oil in the frying pan and cook the onion until soft. Sizzle and stir the beef over high heat for about 4 minutes. Add the taco seasoning and add 150 milliliters of water. Bring to a boil. Simmer uncovered for 10 minutes or until sauce thickens and smells yummy. Do you know how I measure water? I measure water. Gym bro moment. The sugar. Yes. Yes. Peeling the onion. You peel it to peel it. Yeah, no. I'm still worried about the avocado though. I bet it's like so. It's a bit mushy, but like in there. Well, I get guacamole is meant to be mushy or whatever, but it's like disgusting mushy. I'm like, I don't want disgusting mushy. Like my onions sort of diced. Why? No idea for this. This is going to be so lonely. Such a student of life. No, such as my student, I am lonely. I need help. Do I? No. Just kidding, it's a joke. Just saying it's a joke. Might need more onion than this. Okay. It's like 1 whole onion for 500 grams. So therefore, half for 250 grams. Very nice! And after this, we shall do the avocado, which is over here. Who knows what's going to happen? Weight loss tip, use this. That's 10 calories. Oh, it's actually kind of pink. Would you look at that? Alright. Sorry for the horrible lighting. I'll put the onions in. No idea how am I going to do this with one hand. Okay, I have these 2 hands. I am so hungry. I can eat all of this. Where are the tacos? Where are the tacos? No, nachos. Yeah. I just opened these. It smells nice. But now we shall do a gym bro moment, as we need 150 milliliters. Yes, that is it. 150 milliliters. As yeah, this is soft. Let's just guesstimate.
Oh, you gotta get the meniscus. Let me check it.
And she can't really sit well on camera.
You know, you got to get the meniscus in well. You know, right at the bottom of the meniscus. Yeah.
Yeah, that seems about right. Yo! Check it out! My boy. Boy. Here comes that boy. So funny. Now. Almost at the avocado, but not quite. I like some onion for crunch. So, well, it's going to be crunch, but I like the taste of the onion, the rawness of it. So as I mix this, and makes it yummy apparently, we need to cut. Well, we need to cut this onion. Cut it in half first, that's much easier to peel. See, all that came off really easily. And now the tedious little bit in the end. Yeah, sure. See what did you want? Now, all I need to do is cut this onion. I like to cut it like this. So it's more fresh because I just, this wasn't from the fridge, so just put it here. I want to mix them up. Already mixed them up. I mixed the skin up, but you get the point. Yeah, like a whole half onion. Roots go. Oh my god. It's Taco Friday, guys. Just take it down a notch. Ah! Right, take that down a notch. Very nice. You see, I'm being a bit stupid because I put in 150 milliliters, but I meant to put in 75 milliliters because I used half the amount of stuff. But well, let's just use some bird's eye chili then to get the heat up. Tabasco is like not good for heat. This is enough to kill me, and I suck at. No, I'm a man. I am really good with heat. Just this tiny amount. And let's get to the main subject of the video. The avocado. Hole in 1, hole in 2, hole in 4, 1632, 64. Feels fine. You know what's perfect for avocado? Guacamole. Bit of black. Well, I'm not a baby. Yeah, that's right. Fork. Spoon. Mix this still. Honestly, this smells absolutely delicious. And I'm not Mexican, so it gives a flying. Yeah, that's right. If this is authentic or not. Shit. There we go. And then you do the thing. Ah! The cleaning up. The shame. And then the avocado number 2. Guacamole mix. Yeah. Yeah? I mean, yeah. Yes. Then just package this up. Get that one packet of fucking sauce, mix, whatever. Right, the guacamole thing. 65p. I know. Nice avocado. It took me like a week to ripen. Gee, man. I stir this. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit less watery by it in a minute. Well, I've got more time to absorb all those beautiful flavours. Yeah. Let's heat all the way to 2. And then we'll mash this up. Just a little bit so it won't escape. Oh no, the black bits. It's like my avocado on toast video. Oh my god. Now, as this is getting a bit mushy, let's add this. Honestly, this actually does taste pretty good. I could just down the packet. No, I can't. Push you. Oh, that's right. I am a whole of a pussy. This is a normal size avocado from Sainsbury's. Yes, I'm so posh from Sainsbury's. Get laughed at for going to Aldi. There's no Aldi like near me, but there is a little Waitrose. Very nice. Just add a bit of this, chilies, give it an extra. Phone ran out of storage. I had to uninstall Temple Run 2 just to make this. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. No, I don't even bother. Wicked. Like, wicked. Putting some of this in. To this bowl. Then I can put some of the nice sounds. Yes, the sounds. In the bowl as well. If I can. Yeah, I've probably used scissors. Yeah, my brain is massive. I fill the space with 3 people. So don't you worry, tacos, you will be eaten. Yo! Get fucked. And then, you know what, might as well just add a bit of sour cream and onion here. I think that's such a good idea. Put onion in like a little Tupperware thing. No, I have to clean it. But if I put some onion... this is sour cream, right? Please say it is. Please say it's not single cream. It's sour cream! An onion. You know what, let's... Yeah, you know what. You know what? Yes. Let's just add some of this. Almost there. I just add some to it, and then like later I can just use these individually. There we go. I want to introduce to this. You can actually microwave this apparently. Make the tacos extra crunchy. Oven. Not oven, microwave. Put the tacos shells in a microwave. Able plate. Heat for 60 seconds and put on full power. 800 watts. 800 watts, you say? This is actually still hot. I shouldn't do that. I'm so messy. I'm sorry, mummy. 60 seconds. That's like a minute. Yes, let's open this a bit in. This. Whoa, we'll do nicely. 80. What? 100. Start. How can I not use the microwave? You just clear and just press start. 60 seconds. It is ready. Is it actually soft? Oh my god, it is. I didn't have to use the grill or oven. It hasn't. I had to delete Fruit Ninja. Okay, I had to delete Fruit Ninja for this. That's it. Let me make my taco in peace. Here it is. Yeah, I know. I didn't buy any lettuce. You know why? Because I'm gonna buy a fucking lot of lettuce for tacos. I'm not gonna eat it all. Like, it's a waste of money. Eat my Sainsbury's. So actually, this isn't actually that bad.
Mmm. How does it taste? Oh shit. Mmm. Mmm. Very good. No, thank you for watching.
And now we have all the good food I guess I've made. You see, not all of my food is just so glamorous and cool. You see, bloody scrambled eggs and toast. Yes, that's spaghetti. Kind of normal looking. Ah, okay. Look, chili's cool. I like chili because chili is cool. Uh, and then curry with scrambled eggs. Yeah, you'll see a lot of curry. It's pretty good. Ah, but this is not Japanese curry. This is the other curry. Yes, and sashimi. Oh, I was in VC there. And burgers. Yeah, I mean, kind of normal. Ah, that's the day out to ramen place. Oh, hiccup, dude. Yeah, good ramen, cheap as well because it just half price, dude. Oh yes, the leg no bubble tea. Yeah, sure. What's a spaghetti again? Spaghetti good. Why? Because it's so easy to make. I'll actually have that tomorrow. Oh, Indian. You know, whenever there's an event, I'll just go and eat the food because that's the point of events. Obviously, yes, and this is my chicken katsu making. Check it out. And then in the next image, you see the completeness. See avocados there. Yeah, avocados. Yes.
Look at this. Look at the juiciness. Actually, check this out. Oh my god, that's actually juicy. Last night, leftovers. What's in here? Rice. Put this in here. I can't do this with one hand. Remember to add a bit of water. It's enough. Lots of rice. Why won't this heat up? Trust me, it is That is better. That is better. Just one bit up. So good. The rice is there. I needed some rice. Good rice. Put this in there. Now, this one here, it'll magically appear. That is way too close. Be careful here. I'm gonna have to use my hands for this one. How about a taste test? I mean, I know that it's gonna be much better than yesterday's. Yeah, you curry mixers, suck on it. Oh, I can't be. See, I'm using chopsticks. Shut up. What's that thing they do on TV? This, do this. No way to do this. They were shaky with it. I know. Curry better second day. Chicken cuts are better the first day.
And there we have, yeah, don't know why that's repeated there again. Actually, no, because it's the image. Right, yeah, so aftermath, aftermath, maths in it. Yeah, curry. Because that's just the same image but twice. But I am lazy and I won't edit it out. Ah, that's so good. Look at that curry. So succulent. And this whey protein and rice. 5 kilos of rice in it. Food, I guess. Yeah, that's kind of random. Oh, guess what? Deep frying time. Because I deep fry everything because I'm so I'm so unhealthy. Look at all. Why am I so unhealthy? I need some more healthy recipes. Yeah. Oh, sushi. Huh. Nah, sushi's right. I ate all the curry. Oh, more curry. Huh. What? Why? Because why not? Curry good. Curry good. Ah yes. All that. You know, in the past 10 days, I've actually used 3 of those boxes. They're actually ready to be recycled. They're right by my door, and that is the day out with the freaking orchestra thing, magic. Yeah, pretty cool Christmas dinner. Yeah, you see that there's so much butter there, and then like too much pate for too little bread. But that's such good pate. Okay, I treated myself. That was £10. Yes, I know, £10 for me. But come on, you couldn't resist okra. Yeah, it's just replacement for natto because I had no natto. I couldn't be bothered to go all the way to the natto place. Yeah, Shake Shack! Shake Shack! Best fries ever. And Ben's cookies because it was good. Yeah, that was in Covent Garden. Cool, pretty cool, huh? That's in the Christmas time, so that's pretty good. Oh, I've visited my family, therefore free food. I don't have to pay and cook for it. Yes. And Mummy's birthday. Yes. And New Year's. Look at the dead fish. Pretty epic, huh? And yeah, this is just me bringing stuff from Christmas back. Look at those protein bars. Now I'm actually halfway through my what was it? The peanuts nutter one. I don't really like it. Yes, food. See, not all of it. See, you forget it has to be mine. It's not all, just there. And yeah, some good hamburger steak. Yeah. Ooh, I should blur that out. Yeah. I definitely blurred out. Yeah, spoilers. I mean, the subtitles are, I guess, but you won't see them. Yeah. Whoa, curry. Who would have expected tofu? What does that turn into? Some depressing mapo tofu. Yes. That's great. All this. Very nice. I should make them by hand because they're actually all frozen and made. Yes, I like mushrooms. See, I remember making this. It's like, oh, the sauce is amazing. So the one I made after that, I put so much sauce. I made so much sauce. What a big ass wine bottle which I need to throw away. It's a cheap wine, so it's fine. Egg. Also, it's my birthday tomorrow. Oh shit. It's a sushi. The sushi. Look, okay, it's not the most perfect one. Look, it's me shopping. No way. Me? Impossible. There you go. One more chicken. And the same picture, but at a slightly lower angle. Who'd have thought? Oh, it's the same picture again! No way! Oh shit, it's my birthday. Wow, as I've been doing the voiceover for this, it's turned into my birthday. I'm now 19. Happy birthday for me. No one's said happy birthday yet. Oh, katsando-ish. Chicken katsu. Yes. That's cabbage. Yeah, cool cabbage, huh? Okay, I do put fucking Chinese or fucking sauce with a thing, whatever. That's me cooking. Yeah. And look, meal deal. I do eat meal deals, you numpty numpties. Yeah. Subscribe or something. People like to say that, right? Yeah. It's been this video is like 20 minutes long. Yeah. Bye.